Ever wondered how much impact a clean office environment can have on your business? Well, the answer is a lot more than you might think. The state of your workspace can speak volumes about your business, often creating the first impression for clients, and we all know how important first impressions are. Keeping your office spick and span is not just about aesthetics, it's about fostering a productive work atmosphere. A clean and organized workplace can significantly boost productivity levels, enhancing focus and reducing distractions. But that's not all. Maintaining cleanliness in the office is also crucial for health reasons. An unclean office can become a breeding ground for germs, leading to a higher risk of illness among employees. This can result in increased sick days, affecting your business's overall performance. So, the bottom line? A clean office isn't just about appearances, it's about creating a workspace that inspires and promotes health and productivity. So you understand the importance of a clean office. But why should you consider professional cleaning services? Well, the answer lies in the unparalleled expertise and experience these professionals bring to the table. They are trained in the art of cleanliness, armed with the knowledge of the best cleaning methods and industry-grade products that ensure a deep, thorough clean every time. Moreover, professional cleaning services maintain standards that go beyond the ordinary. Their meticulous attention to detail means no dust particle is left behind, no stain ignored. They see what the untrained eye might miss. Also, each office is unique, and so are its cleaning needs. Professional services provide a tailored cleaning solution, considering the specific requirements of each workspace. They adapt, they innovate, they deliver. Professional office cleaning services don't just clean, they elevate your workspace to a whole new level of cleanliness and hygiene. Among the multitude of professional cleaning services, why should Rockstar Carpet Cleaning be your go-to choice? Well, let's dive in. Rockstar Carpet Cleaning stands on the foundation of unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. They don't just clean, they care, they take pride in their work and ensure every nook and cranny sparkles. Their dedication to the environment is another reason to choose them. They use eco-friendly cleaning products that are tough on dirt and grime, but gentle on Mother Earth. So you're not just getting a clean office, you're also contributing to a cleaner planet. What's more, their comprehensive cleaning services cover everything from carpets to windows. They leave no stone unturned, or in this case, no carpet unvacuumed. And to top it all off, their pricing is as competitive as their cleaning is thorough. They offer top-notch service without breaking the bank. Rockstar Carpet Cleaning doesn't just promise clean offices, they deliver them. So, are you ready to give your office the professional cleaning it deserves? Imagine walking into your workspace each morning, greeted by pristine carpets, sparkling windows, and an atmosphere that simply breathes freshness. That's the kind of environment that fuels productivity and positivity. And it's within your reach with Rockstar Carpet Cleaning. Think about it. No more worrying about stubborn stains, dusty corners, or unhygienic restrooms. Rockstar Carpet Cleaning takes care of it all with their top-notch services, leaving you to focus on what truly matters, your work. They're experts in their field, using the best products and equipment, and delivering results that truly shine. The state of your office speaks volumes about your business. A clean, well-maintained office is a reflection of your commitment to quality and excellence. So why settle for anything less? Don't wait for the dust to settle. Contact Rockstar Carpet Cleaning today and experience the difference a clean office can make.